Here we have a product of tangents and secants. We had two rules for tangents and secants. If we have an odd power on tangent or an even power on secant. So both of those are met here, so we have a choice. We can either use the fact that we have an even power on secant and pull off two secants, or we can use the fact that we have an odd power on tangent and pull off a tangent times secant. It doesn't matter which way we go, but one way is going to be easier. And the easier way is going to be to pull off a pair of secants, because when we pull off a pair of secants, we are left with a secant squared that has to be converted. So those are the leftover secants, and those will be converted to tangents. If we were to pull off the tangent secant, notice that if we pull off one tangent and one secant over for the differential, so they're going to hang out over here, notice that in this case we're going to have to convert these leftover tangents, and there's 4, a power of 4 there. That's more work to convert a power of 4 than to convert a power of 2. So I'm going to choose this path over here, and I'm going to replace the secant squared with what it is equal to, which is tangent squared plus 1. So I'm converting the leftovers into the other function. And now we're poised for u substitution. Now we can say that we're going to let u equal tangent, which tells us that du is equal to secant squared of x dx. And now that matches perfectly with what we pulled off and stuck with the differential. So that is sort of the whole point. We are going to convert into the function tangent that has a derivative equal to what we pulled off. So now we have 7 multiplied by u to the 5th, u squared plus 1 du. Very nice u substitution. And if we distribute that u to the 5th, we'll end up with u to the 7 plus u to the 5th du. And we can go ahead and integrate now. We'll get u to the 8 over 8, u to the 6 over 6 using the power rule, plus a constant of integration. And our final step will be to back substitute. I am going to distribute the 7 as well, so we have 7/8 times tangent to the 8th of x, and then plus 7 over 6 multiplied by tangent to the 6 of x plus c. So there is our answer.